Welcome back to my channel, this cryptodad. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscription button and also turn off the notification icon so you'll be getting notification from every videos I upload. In today's video, I'll be updating us on the Binance DYOR investments we made. The distribution have already started and I've already received 6 BUSD. I made a video now to claim 8 BUSD cash voucher on the Binance DYOR investment event. So the distribution have already started. If you join this event, you can just go over to your Binance to redeem the price. I'll be showing us now to redeem the price right now. So I was given 6 BUSD and it's going to expire by this date. I'll just be going over to Binance. I'm on my Binance app. For me to redeem, we have to come over to our profile. When we come over to our profile, we will see the reward center. This way we'll be redeeming the price. We just need to click on that. This is the cash voucher I received. I received 6 BUSD, and for me to redeem the price, I just need to click on redeem. I'll click on redeem. Then I'll be asked if I want to redeem a voucher. I'll just click on redeem. I've successfully redeemed the price. The reward will soon be credited into your sports account. I decided to go over to my sport account, but I'll just be closing this page and I'll cancel this page. I'll be going back. For you to confirm the transaction, you have to come over to your wallet. When you come over to your wallet, the cash voucher price you redeem will be going to your sports account. You just need to click on sport. When you come over to your sport, you have to go over to BUSD because the cash voucher we are redeeming is BUSD. And if BUSD is not on this list, you can just go ahead to click on this search. You have to search for BUSD. I'll just be clicking on BUSD. I've successfully redeemed 6 BUSD. It has been added to my balance. I was having $51 worth of BUSD before, but it has been added to my balance. So I'm having 57 worth of BUSD right now. I've successfully redeemed my BUSD price. So guys, I'll be dropping more updates on the Binance event very soon. Just need to stay tuned. And if this is your first time of watching my video, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then you need to turn on the notification icon so you'll be getting notification from every video I upload. And there are some other events here that Binance are doing presently. There's this DYOR investments giveaway also. The reward is 10 BUSD. I'll be doing a video now to claim the 10 BUSD. And we also have this swap farming function also. You have to trade to get $5 worth of BNB. And the voucher you can get is up to $50,000. We have the crypto wood also, the share of $10,000 to be given. You just need to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be getting updates whenever I drop a new video. Have a nice day guys.